Cyber Touch Research, BTCDetect software, how to deposit Bitcoin into IG Group easily, crypto to fiat conversion explained. Bitcoin to fiat conversion for IG Group deposits. 1. Convert BTC to fiat exchange, Bitcoin for fiat currency. 2. Deposit fiat to IG fund, IG account with fiat. In this analytical review, we'll take a step-by-step look at how to pay for various goods and services through the BTCDetect.com web platform using a Bitcoin-focused cold wallet. Important clarification: how to actually pay BTC for IG Group. IG Group is a broker CFD provider that traditionally works with fiat currencies, bank cards, wire transfers, etc., rather than direct crypto payments from individuals. Specific deposit methods depend on your jurisdiction and are described in your IG account, usually Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, and sometimes local methods. To pay IG Group with Bitcoin, you don't need to send BTC directly to the broker, but convert BTC to fiat on a crypto exchange and top up IG in the usual way, or use a crypto debit card, which automatically converts BTC at the time of payment, or use a third-party crypto gateway that converts BTC to fiat for the recipient. What does IG Group's Bitcoin payment method actually mean? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates without the intermediary of banks and is controlled by a network of nodes via the blockchain. A typical BTC payment involves transferring funds to a Bitcoin address or scanning a merchant's QR code. Brokers and regulated financial companies rarely accept cryptocurrency directly due to compliance requirements and money laundering risks. Therefore, IG Group uses intermediary services to process Bitcoin payments. Crypto exchanges where you sell BTC for fiat, payment gateways that accept BTC from clients and credit fiat to businesses, crypto debit cards that work like regular cards but charge crypto from your account. Cyber Touch Research BTTech software. This is the most manageable and common method for a cryptocurrency trader. Step 1. Storing and securing BTC. Keep your Bitcoin in a secure wallet or a reputable crypto exchange with two-factor authentication. For medium amounts, you can use a large centralized exchange. For larger amounts, use a hardware wallet with periodic sales of a portion of your BTC on the exchange. YouTube embed, advanced Bitcoin address operations, cold store. BTTech software, watch on YouTube.
Now we need to clear the console and click the button to find a Bitcoin address, meaning a new fresh one. The Bitcoin address with a balance top-up shows that there is a Bitcoin address at 54. We press the button, so the amount is 71, that's correct. We save the result and copy the address. Let's open the console. Now let's move on to the BTCDetect software and clear the console. The field is cleared as well. We click the button to get the required public key. Then we click on So the launch is in progress, and while it's filling up, I can recommend certain documentation for you. For further study, you can look into the documentation on digital signatures. Signatures where, for example, a lattice attack is indicated with mesh attacks are still relevant because a small group of algorithms provides. There are issues with creating digital signatures, and there is documentation from researchers like Breaker and Hellinger, that is, finding Hellinger is a biased understanding of one-time numbers. There are disposable numbers for lattice attacks that provide weak signatures and the possibility of recovery. Bitcoin wallets, meaning obtaining private keys. And so we see that bit matrix the cells filled up and we need to get the hex format. After that, we get the regular format. Keeping the entire result, and then we go to the console folder to see the saved result we have. It has been saved in this form, so let's check how exactly it has been saved and what values it contains. We need to copy the private key, then we close the document and proceed to the payment. You can download it yourself through the aggregator. Just copy the coin bin from the repository. Here we also have the raw text for creating, so we open it up to create the raw text for the transaction. We absolutely cannot save this for security reasons. Next, we will need to press the button. We press the button, and the process of connecting to the blockchain and determining the balance begins, and so the amount. Which was specified. That's all correct. Now we need to add our Bitcoin address and update the cold storage. Wallet, and we get our cold wallet. So we wait for a certain amount of time, and then a new address with a 0 balance, and we specify this address, then we set it. So let's set the fee to 900 Satoshis, then we send it, get the value, and check it. The importance of verification, and yes, the address is correct. Now let's sign the address and we'll get it. We're checking the verification again because everything needs to be correct, including the amount. Then we transmit the addresses through the Routex blockchain, that's correct. So we received the fresh text IDs. So we updated everything. The amount comes directly from this wallet, our Bitcoin address. Now we wait for a certain amount of time for the miners to confirm at least one confirmation. We need the transaction, so let's update the result. Now we can see just one confirmation from the miners and we received a certain amount. So now let's update our We update the cold wallet so we can see the received funds in the lists. The funds received in Bitcoin cryptocurrency, and we see that the amount is as specified. The Bitcoin address has received funds, and our total balance is now $455, so this is already the fifth one. We're closing the Bitcoin address from the report and leaving the cold wallet. Now we need to save the folder,
on an exchange, OKX, BTCC, Binance, etc. You create an order to sell BTC for the desired fiat currency, USD, Euro, GBP, etc. Exchanges allow you to top up your fiat balance with crypto or immediately withdraw the funds to your card bank account after the sale. Example, sell 0.02 BTC for Euro. You receive, for example, 900 Euro to your exchange fiat balance. Withdraw 900 Euro to your bank card linked to IG Group. Step 3. Transfer fiat to IG payment method. Next, you withdraw fiat from the exchange to your bank account or card. Top up your IG Group account using the same payment method through your IG personal account. In essence, you paid IG Group with Bitcoin, but with a technical conversion. BTC fiat on the exchange, fiat deposit on IG. Method number 2, crypto debit. Crypto debit cards, such as products like the BitPay card and similar products, allow you to pay for goods and services in cryptocurrency, but to the merchant, it looks like a regular card payment. Operating principle: you hold BTC on the card issuer's crypto platform. When paying, the card sells the required amount of BTC and debits the equivalent in fiat. IG Group sees a standard payment by Visa MasterCard. To fund IG Group using BTC, 1. Issue a crypto debit card through a service operating in your jurisdiction. 2. Load Bitcoin onto this card or convert BTC into a card balance. 3. Enter card details when topping up your IG Group account. Pros: no need to sell BTC in advance. IG replenishment is done like with a regular card. Cons: additional fees from the card issuer. CyberTouch Research BTCDetect software gateway and bill payment. Classic crypto payment gateways are integrated into online stores via APIs and allow customers to pay in BTC while the merchant receives fiat. Principle: at the payment stage, the user is shown a BTC address or QR code. The client sends the specified amount of Bitcoin. The gateway converts BTC and transfers fiat to the seller or credits crypto. In theory, if IG Group has integrations with such gateways through third-party payment providers, depositing via the crypto option would look like this. 1. In your IG personal account, select the cryptocurrency method for depositing, if available. 2. The system generates an invoice with the amount in fiat and displays the BTC amount plus QR code. 3. You pay the bill from your wallet, the gateway converts the BTC and credits the IG fiat. However, IG Group currently does not publicly promote such an option, so this scenario is more common among online stores than brokers. CyberTouch Research BTCDetect software. Whether you use an exchange or a crypto card, the basic BTC payment technique is the same. 1. Create or install a Bitcoin-supporting crypto wallet, mobile, desktop, or hardware. 2. Top up your wallet. Receive Bitcoin to your address by purchasing it on an exchange or from another user. 3. When paying a bill in BTC, for example if you use a third-party crypto gateway, scan the QR code or paste the address manually. 4. Check the amount and transaction fee, confirm sending. 5. Wait for network confirmations. After this, the payment is considered final. Intermediary services typically display a timer and the status of the funds being received, and also fix the rate for a limited time to prevent you from losing out on volatility. Risks and nuances when paying IG Group via Bitcoin. When using BTC to fund a brokerage account, it is important to consider BTC price volatility. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly while you're selling it on an exchange or while a payment is being processed. Some traders intentionally sell BTC when the rate is favorable rather than at the last minute before making a deposit. Cyber Touch Research BTCDetect software, jurisdiction and AML KYC. Exchanges and financial companies are required to verify the origin of funds and may request additional documentation, especially for large amounts. No chargebacks. Crypto payments are irreversible. An erroneous transfer to the wrong address cannot be reversed, unlike a traditional bank transfer, which can be disputed. To reduce risks, it makes sense to use only licensed exchanges and verified crypto services. Test the BTC-Fiat IG chain in advance with a small amount. Track fees and current rates using stock exchange apps. Image, IG Group trading FX with IG. CyberTouch Research, BTCDetect software IG.
We would like to inform you that we specialize on data cybersecurity, and we ask you to sign to our YouTube channel to stay connected at all times and receive a lot of useful and important information. We also offer services from experienced specialists on cybersecurity, which covers a wide range. Directions such as restoring access to social networks and messenger accounts, to email and corporate accounts. We are also reviving popular cryptocurrencies, wallets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, in a legal way. Wallet recovery happens strictly through mathematical patterns of all kinds. Attacks hidden from everyone, documented vulnerabilities, damaged network phrases, and weaknesses in transactions. Digital signature of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. We also recover through collisions during generation. Private keys to lost Bitcoin wallets. We have specialists available for services in restoring passwords and keys for the most complex encryptions. We also offer data recovery services to network infrastructures. We have a lot of experience and skill in restoration, damaged data from cloud services, as well as data recovery for mobile devices. Our specialists are doing a great job with the digital service, restoring deleted files, the process of collecting and analyzing data on various devices. We also offer restoration services, operating system after the boot sector damage. All possible services from our cybersecurity specialists. They are also working on restoring access to the platforms, accounts of all known services, including Apple ID through the recovery key for the 28-digit Google account code through Microsoft account recovery codes through alternative methods. Authentication. You have the contact information for our specialists. You can find it on our official website.